Hey teacher friends, it's Genta here, and I am so pumped to tell you about a really cool opportunity that is going to be perfect for your professional development plan. On Friday, January 25th, I am hosting the first ever awesome conference for teachers, and it's happening right here in Illinois. I want to invite you and all your teacher pals to this incredible day that is going to be filled with fun, practical, and super engaging workshops that are going to be perfect for any teacher at any grade level with any subject area. Not only are you going to have an incredible experience with teachers from all over the state, but you're going to get PD credit hours and walk away thinking, that was the best professional development of my life. That is what good PD will do for you. So join me on Friday, January 25th at the Keller Convention Center in Effingham, Illinois, where we are going to celebrate education and have the first ever awesome conference for teachers. Hope to see you there.